I bought the Lego Bricklink Designer Program Construction City, and I bought all the parts for it instead of buying the set. It worked out a lot cheaper. This was probably the most fun that I've had building a Lego set, if you like, for a long time. There was just so many details and it was such a great build. The only thing that detracted from this was nothing to do with the set, was the fact that I bought all the parts off many different sellers on Bricklink. It took a long time for the parts to come, which was fine. I was in no rush. Hence why it's taken so long to do this video. But the issue is all the parts were in different bags. Some of the tiles, for example, came from one seller, some, but they didn't have enough, so then there'd be other, tiles, the same tiles, but from a different seller. Trying to find the bits. I should have organised them all first, but I think I'd ordered about 4,000 different parts, so there was a lot, and it would have taken me a long time to organise, so I just got straight on with the build. But nonetheless, that was my fault. But as I say, this was such a great fun build. As you can see, it's progressing really nicely. The details are absolutely fantastic. I love the base plate, the way it's all tiled off, the pillars, they just look amazing. As I briefly mentioned at the start, I saved a lot of money through buying the parts. I believe my total cost for this was around £360. The average price that this set is retailing for on eBay, because it was a limited amount of these made, I think it was 10,000, and I missed it at the first opportunity. So now you people are reselling them on eBay, and I think the average price that they're selling for on eBay is around £450 to £500. I would say the average is about 500. To be fair, you do get a few chances wanting to sell it for £600-700, but they're just a bit crazy. So depending on the day and the availability of this set, I think I made between £100 and £200 saving, which in my opinion is well worth it. I believe this set to be worth the £500, but it's definitely worth £360. So as it's just about coming to the end of the build, we'll get ready to take a look at the final result. So here it is, guys. It is all finished, and I've got to say I absolutely love this modular construction site. It is fantastic. It has got the big old crane, and the crane functions. It's got the weights at the back, it's got the cab that you can open up to get the minifigure in and out, it's got the controls in there, it's got some form of cylinder as a detail up just over here, which I think is like an oxygen cylinder. But we've currently got the porta potty attached to the crane where we can lower it down. And it's going down, 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 down. It's stuck on the fence. So that's down. You've got this piece here, so you can slide it backwards and forwards. That slides across here, like so, for the movement of it. And to operate the crane, it is done using this here, which turns like so. Right, moving on. So on the top floor, it's a little bit dark, but we've got the cement mixer, we've got the minifigure, we've got the bin, we've got the steps, and then some safety railings protection. This particular piece is removable, which I'm just going to pop that off. It's a bit difficult with one hand, so that pops off like so. That is the only bit that is removable. The rest of it unfortunately is not, but still it's brilliant. We've got the drill press, we've got the radial arm saw, some more safety barriers in there, and then we've got the minifigure, painting, and some flooring that's been started putting down but not finished. It's still under construction. Taking a look on the outside, we've got all the safety barriers, we've got another minifigure with a roller, we've got some more oxygen tanks or oxyacetylene tanks, I'm not sure what they are, around there. We've got another minifigure there. These aren't the exact minifigures that would have come with the set. I made this from using parts primarily ordered from Bricklink. I managed to get all of the parts for this for £380 delivered. That was many different orders from many different countries, and a lot of that money was made up with postage, but still it's a good saving based on the current prices that this set is selling for on eBay. So if we can try and turn this round and take a look within, we've got the tiled floor. We've got the little wheelbarrow set in there, and then around the back, just try and turn it around a bit more. There we go, we've got a better view from there. We've got the staircase going all the way up, and then we've got some more safety protection. We've got the little minifigure jackhammering the floor up. It's just an overall fantastic set. There's so much details in it, it's unbelievable. It took me a long time to build this set because of ordering it through Bricklink. Here's some of the parts that are left over from over ordering, and just trying to find the parts was a bit hard work, to be honest with you. I love this detail here, so let's just rotate this crane back round. So we've got these linear actuators. It's not going to focus. Come on. There we go. And they can be used to tension up the straps or the supports for the crane. It's just such a clever little detail. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stop motion build and the overall look at it, but I rate this as a 10 out of 10 set. If you can afford to get it, get it. If you've got time to do it like I did through Bricklink. It will save you money. It's brilliant. It's great fun to build, and it's going to be great fun to have in the city once I manage to get on with building the city. That's a long way off because I need space. We've got the jazz club over there. We've got the Home Alone house over there as well. We've got plenty of buildings to build, just haven't got the space to set up the city yet. But anyway, please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. I'll see you on the next one.